Hi, my name is JD Kindred, and I'm the founder and owner of Accent Unique. Today, I want to talk about a new course that we are going to launch for our course catalog. And it is, I think, a brilliant idea because all of our clients are busy business professionals. So we have created the Flexible Private English course. This is where you have the opportunity to schedule your classes based around your busy schedule, as well as the teachers that fit your needs. Are you tired of being in classes with 15 other students or having to drive and park and have scheduled times for classes until 10 at night or Saturday mornings when you just want to choose your own schedule? I've worked with hundreds of business professionals and I hear you. And this is what we started. This is what we created. So I really hope that you will, go in, choose a course based on a teacher that you are drawn to. Make sure you enroll before the deadline to ensure that you have access to those discounts. And really, everyone at Accent Unique really wish you the best on your goal of improving English. We will do everything we can to make you feel more confident in speaking. And so if you want to get to the next level, I highly, highly recommend this private class, and you will love it. We guarantee that if you're not happy with the classes, you have 100% money back guarantee. We're that confident in our ability to help you and even gain confidence in as little as a few months. So go ahead, enroll today, and we look forward to meeting you then.